I used to work at Little Caesars, and this is my story about how I almost got robbed. So I was at the cashier, you know, I was already pissed off people like every day, and this guy walks in, looking like a sketchy motherfucker, with a sweatshirt up to his mouth, with this, just coughing like, like painful coughing, and I was just already annoyed with him. Comes up, takes his order, never moves the sweatshirt, still coughing like, and I was like, a small what? Pizza? And he was like, Pepsi. So I was like, okay, it's $1.50. He says, do you accept food stamps? And I said, no, we don't accept food stamps. So he goes, oh, be back. I'm like, okay, please don't come back. Meanwhile, I take someone else's order. I see him come back. Sweatshirt's still up to his fucking face. He's waiting for me to take these people's order so he can get back in line. He comes up and hands me a quarter. And I say, okay, well, it's, you need another $1.25. So he puts his Dollar General bag up on the counter, like, searching through his pockets, searching through the bag, still never moves it from his face. And then he goes, stop searching, stop coughing, just say, put all the money in my bag. And I'm like, what? I can't fucking hear you. You have a sweatshirt on your face. And he just does it again. Put all the money in my bag. And at this point, I'm just really annoyed. And I'm just like, no. So then he walks out. And I'm still holding his quarter. I'm like, you tried to rob me. I'm holding the quarter. Way to go. So then I tell my manager, call Misha, that I think we just got robbed. And she was like, oh, hell no. We gotta lock this bitch up for real, y'all. I'm like, Misha can't lock it. There's people in here. And she goes, oh, true. I'm called Sierra. That's our other manager. Sierra gets in there and she goes, y'all, this ain't no joke. I was swerving. I was speeding just to get here. If a cop pulled me over, I'd say, follow me, Lil Caesars, because we just got robbed. And end of the story. We never called him, but whatever. I got the quarter.